Okay, now we'll learn the wardrobe classification. Before we learn wardrobe classification, we have to understand one concept. This is shared area, or we also call it project area. The project area is from the front view to thin wardrobe. The total width multiplied by total height. Then we can get the project area. For example, here is 3 wardrobe from the top view, all from the top view. The large shape, the L shape, and the U shape. For example, this one, the total length is L, this is depth, and suppose the height is H. So the project area is the total length L multiplied the height H. This is the project area. For L shape, suppose the height is H. So the project area is L1, this size, multiplied by the H, and then plus L2, only this part, multiplied by H. Then we can get the project area. For the U shape, suppose the height is also H, so the project area is L1, the total length by the height H, and then plus L2, this part, only this part by the height, and then plus L3, this part by the height. We have okay. This is the project area. And now we'll take some several examples to learn how to make the fast quotation of the wardrobe. First is for this one. This is a large shape wardrobe, and the total width is 3.44 meter. From the elevation, we can see the total height is 2.4 meter. And the carcass is 6313B, which means it's a caramel carcass, party boot. The door is the sliding door. The door material is not YL900A. This is door style, sliding door style. YB01. This is the PVC core material. This BB22 is the glass waste. And in this wardrobe, we design 1 lattice, 1 pants rack, and then 3 drawers. This is the function object. For the drawer's ladder, we use the balloon for extension with damper. This is the drawer's ladder. Next, for the accessories. For the accessories in this wardrobe, we use the sliding mirror and 3 LED thin light. This is the accessories. Okay, now we do the fast quotation of this wardrobe. First, we choose the carcass. This is the carcass. Few kind of carcass material. The ordinary melamine carcass, and the lacquer, and wood veneer. And in this wardrobe, the carcass material is the ordinary melamine carcass. So we choose this one. Next is for thickness. The thickness of carcass, the common use is 80 mm and 25 mm. And in this wardrobe, these two outside side panel, the thickness is 25 mm. And the middle side panel is 80 mm. And for the shaft is also 80 mm. So most of the carcass is 80 mm. Just this two is 25. So here we just select 80 mm will be okay. Next is for shed area. And we already know how to calculate the shed area at the beginning. And for this wardrobe, the total width is 3.44 meter. The total height is 2.4 meter. So the shed area, the project area is 3.44 multiplied by 2.4 equals 8.326 square meter. So we just input 8.26. We have okay. Now this is the price for the carcass. It includes the carcass and some basic hardware. Next is the hinge door. Because this wardrobe is a sliding door sliding wardrobe and there is no hinge door. So for this part, we must input 0. This is important. Otherwise, there will be a price here, which is unreasonable. So we must input 0. Next is the sliding door. First, we should choose the material of the sliding door. This is all the standard material of the sliding door. Okay. And in this wardrobe, the material is PVC core. The waist is glass. Actually, we don't need to care about the waist because most of the material is PVC core. The waist just a few part. So we just select the PVC core we became. PVC core YB01. This is the material, sliding door material. And the shed area is the total wings by the total height, 8.26. So this is the price of the door. Next is for the profit coefficient. This is the same with the kitchen fast quotation. If we make this coefficient 1, which means this price is only open sales price before discount. It do not include our dealer's profit. So if you want to make the price including the profit, including the dealer's profit, you can change its coefficient. Suppose change it to 2. Now we can see the price is double, and this price is before discount, and it's also including our dealer's profit. And this coefficient is decided by our dealers. Now we change it back to 1, which means this is open sales price before discount. Okay, next is for the function object. This part is for some lattice, drawer, panels rack, and pull-out panel, something like that. The function object. All the function object we can reference our catalog. And in this wardrobe, the function object is 1 lattice, 1 panels rack, and 3 drawer. The drawers ladder of the drawers ladder of this 3 is blue, full extension with damper. Blue with damper. Now we just select the corresponding code and input the quantity we became. First is for lattice. We choose the blue, this one. Lattice pull out with blue full extension with soft closing. The quantity is 1. Next is for panels rack. Here is panels rack. The quantity is 1. Next is the drawer, 3 drawer. And we don't need to care about the drawer size. We don't need to care about the size of the drawer. We just need to care about the drawers ladder we became. For example, in this wardrobe, the drawers ladder is blue full extension with soft closing. This one, blue full extension with soft closing, and the quantity is 3. So for the function object is finished. For others, 0, 0, must input 0. Next is for function accessories. All the function accessories we can reference the catalog. And in this wardrobe, the accessories is the slide mirror and the 3 LED thin light. So first choose the slide mirror. The quantity is 1. Next, the LED thin light. The quantity is 3. Others is 0, 0, 0. Next, last part is for the others. This is similar with the kitchen fast quotation. For this part is for some items which its price is not mentioned in the previous parts. For example, some chrome body, some decorative filler, and some decorative panel. And in this kitchen, this wardrobe, there is no other items should extract. So of this part we input 0, 0, 0 will be k. Now when we finish all of this part, we can get the roughly price $2,479 before discount, and this price is not including our dealer's profit because of this profit coefficient is 1. Here is exchange rate. We can change it, and then his price is changed. Here is discount. If we make discount 6%, then you can see the price is changed. Okay, now changing back. For this wardrobe, I already make the accurate quotation of this wardrobe. Now you can see the difference. Okay, this is the quotation, accurate quotation of this wardrobe. And the final price is $2,509. This is accurate price. And this is the rough price. Now you can see the two prices very close, okay? And the error is around 3%, which is very close. And we can control this error with 5%.